the NASA has just issued a planetary alert. An object coming from outside our solar system, the mysterious 3I Atlas, has once again captured the attention of the global scientific community. But what the space agency discovered this time was so unexpected that it triggered emergency meetings at observatories around the world. Are we about to witness an unprecedented cosmic event? Today, you'll understand why NASA is so worried about 3I Atlas, what's really happening, and what it could mean for the future of Earth.
Number 1. NASA's warning. In a recent statement, NASA confirmed something that reignited the debate about the mysteries of interstellar space. The Pan-STARRS telescope detected unusual changes in the trajectory of the object known as 3I Atlas, the third interstellar visitor ever recorded in human history. The announcement sounded technical and harmless, but one particular sentence drew worldwide attention. NASA is closely monitoring 3I Atlas due to gravitational anomalies and unexpected emissions. In simpler terms, something is happening and no one can explain it.
Number 2. What is 3I Atlas? But what exactly is 3I Atlas? Imagine a visitor emerging out of nowhere, from a point so distant that even the sun can't illuminate it. A traveler from the void, crossing millions of light years just to reach our cosmic neighborhood. The name 3I stands for Third Interstellar, since it's the third confirmed object ever detected from beyond the solar system. Before it, we had the famous Oumuamua in 2017, the cigar-shaped metallic object that led some scientists to suggest it might be an alien probe. Then came 2I Borisov, a more comet-like but equally mysterious visitor. And now we have 3I Atlas, even more enigmatic, unpredictable, and anomalous. Discovered by the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, ATLAS, the 3I drew attention for its unstable brightness, flickering irregularly without any clear pattern, as if it were pulsing. Something inside it seemed alive or controlled.
Number 3. Why NASA is on high alert. The alert wasn't just a precaution. In recent months, radar and infrared data revealed tiny variations in 3I Atlas's trajectory. Shifts so subtle that, on a cosmic scale, they could change everything. It's not moving like a normal comet. It's as if something invisible is guiding or pushing it, defying the expected laws of gravity. A NASA astronomer who preferred to remain anonymous stated, "There's a force acting on 3I Atlas that we can't identify, and that worries us." That simple sentence was enough to ignite countless theories. Are we facing a natural object with artificial behavior, or a physical phenomenon still unknown to human science?
Number 4. The strange emissions of 3I Atlas. The anomalies didn't stop there. The James Webb Telescope detected regular energy emissions coming from 3I Atlas, infrared waves and electromagnetic signals that don't fit any known comet profile. These signals appeared in repeating intervals, almost like a sequence, leading some researchers to suggest the possibility of an intelligent pattern. Officially, NASA denied any hypothesis of communication, but behind the scenes, discussions are heated. Spectral analysis also revealed high concentrations of rare metals, such as iridium and platinum, elements typically used in advanced technology.
Number 5. Where it came from. Where does this visitor come from? No one knows for sure. Some calculations indicate that 3I Atlas may have originated near Vega, a star in the Lyra constellation about 25 light-years away. Others suggest it could be even farther, perhaps from the deep interstellar void where our sun is nothing but an invisible dot in the dark. If that's true, 3I Atlas has been traveling for millions of years, crossing solar systems and absorbing radiation and particles from places we may never see. Maybe it carries within it fragments of other civilizations, remnants of worlds that existed and vanished long ago. 3I Atlas might be a cosmic archive, a time capsule from the universe's distant past.
Number 6. The collision course. The reason behind the global alert is clear. The trajectory of 3I Atlas passes dangerously close to Earth's orbit. Officially, NASA says there's no risk of impact but admits the object is undergoing small course deviations. Even minimal changes could alter its future path completely. That's why NASA activated the Global Observation Protocol, uniting telescopes around the world to monitor 3I Atlas 24 hours a day. It's what they call a planetary alert, continuous surveillance because any new anomaly could have unpredictable consequences.
Number 7. The three hypotheses. Three main hypotheses dominate the scientific debate. 1. The natural theory. 3I Atlas is a rare comet with an unusual chemical composition, reacting oddly to solar radiation. 2. The fragmentation theory. It might break apart as it approaches the Sun, producing debris that could potentially hit Earth. 3. The artificial theory, the most controversial. Part of 3I Atlas could be artificial, perhaps an ancient probe built by a far more advanced civilization. This last idea gained traction after Harvard studies suggested that Oumuamua also showed signs consistent with non-natural propulsion. If that's true, 3I Atlas could be a lost piece of interstellar technology traveling for millions of years straight toward us.
Number 8. The silence of communications. Amateur astronomers began to notice something odd. Since 3I Atlas was detected, public data started disappearing from several observation portals. Images vanished, reports were taken down. Coincidence? Or is NASA filtering information to prevent global panic? Officially, nothing has been confirmed, but the SETI Institute, famous for searching for extraterrestrial intelligence, admitted to monitoring 3I Atlas, although it denies detecting any abnormal signal.
Number 9. What if it hits Earth? And what if, just if, 3I Atlas collided with Earth? The impact would release energy equivalent to billions of tons of TNT. The crater would stretch for dozens of kilometers, and the dust cloud would block sunlight for months. Temperatures would plummet, forests would die, crops would fail, and humanity would face a global winter. It would be an event comparable to the extinction of the dinosaurs. Luckily, current calculations don't suggest that outcome, but the mere fact that an interstellar visitor is passing this close reminds us of our cosmic fragility.
Number 10. A message from the universe? Is it just coincidence that 3I Atlas appears now as humanity begins exploring space more intensely? We're sending probes, searching for life on Mars, expanding our gaze across the cosmos, and suddenly a visitor arrives, emitting signals no one can decode. Maybe 3I Atlas is just a cold rock, wandering without purpose. But what if it's more than that? A reminder that we're not alone? Or perhaps a silent message traveling for ages to reach us now? The universe may be a mysterious teacher, and sometimes it sends lessons we only understand centuries later. Number 11. The visitor from the unknown. NASA remains on alert. Observatories worldwide continue tracking 3I Atlas, watching for every shift and signal. And here on Earth, we keep looking up, trying to understand. Is it just a wandering rock? Or a messenger of something far greater? The universe is vast, and 3I Atlas is just one of its infinite questions. But one thing is certain, its story is only beginning. And you, what do you think? Does NASA know more than it reveals? Or are we simply facing a natural phenomenon beyond our understanding? Leave your opinion in the comments. Do you believe or doubt? If this video made you think, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Truth Explosion, because the truth always deserves to be questioned.